Changing your Squarespace template allows you to give your website a fresh look. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Squarespace, access your Squarespace account and navigate to the dashboard. Go to the Home menu. Click on the Squarespace icon in the top left corner to access the Home menu. Select Design. Within the Home menu, choose Design to access the design settings for your site. Click Template. Under the Design menu, select Templates to view the available templates. Explore Templates. Browse through the template options to find one that suits your preferences and needs. Squarespace offers a variety of professionally designed templates. Preview templates. Click on a template to preview how your content will look with that design. This helps you assess the visual and functional aspects. Select a template. Once you've found a template you like, click Try to apply it temporarily to your site for further customization and testing. Customize the new template. Adjust the design, layout, and settings within the site editor to tailor the new template to your specific requirements. Save changes. Save your changes to ensure that the modifications made using the new template are retained. Publish your changes. When satisfied with the new template and customizations, click Publish to make the changes live on your website.